Okay, so Kimi just dropped a new coding model and it is actually beating Claude Opus on real benchmarks. And the wild part, you can use it completely free. No API key. Let me show you how I did it. So this is Kimi K2.6. It is from Moonshot AI. They just released this benchmark chart on their official blog and check this out. On SWE-Bench Pro, Kimi got 58.6. Claude Opus got 53.4. GPT 5.4 got 57.7. Kimi beat both of them. Honestly, the first time I saw this, I thought there had to be a catch somewhere. But the catch is the opposite of what you would expect. The model is open source under a modified MIT license. 1 trillion parameters, 256,000 token context window, and it can run 300 sub-agents in parallel, chained across 4,000 reasoning steps for one task. So we are not talking about a small model trying to punch up. This is a real one. Now, let me show you what makes this actually crazy. If you ran your workflow on Claude Opus, you would pay around $25 per million output tokens. That adds up fast if you are building anything serious. Kimi is $1 input, $4 output, 6 times cheaper. But, like I said, we are not paying anything today. Okay, first method, Cloudflare has this playground at playground.ai.cloudflare.com. You just open the link. No login, no setup, no API key. I kept waiting for a sign-up wall and it just never came. Search Kimi, pick Kimi-K2.6. That is it. You can start prompting right away. Now, if you want to actually call this from your own code, that is where Cloudflare Workers AI comes in. The free plan gives you 10,000 neurons per day, which works out to about 2 to 5 million tokens of Kimi inference, depending on your prompt size. That is enough for a full day of coding on a personal project. Sign up for a free Cloudflare account, grab your API token, and you can call the model from anywhere using the OpenAI compatible endpoint. Okay, here is where I actually tested it. I gave Kimi one prompt. Build me a pricing page with 3 tiers, hover animations, and a sticky comparison bar in HTML and Tailwind. That is the whole prompt. Watch what it did. It planned the layout first. Then it wrote everything. The HTML, the Tailwind, the animations, the full comparison table with categorized sections. It even added an FAQ section and a working monthly to annual toggle. I never asked for either of those. Now I just copy the code from the playground. Create a new file called index.html. Paste the code in, save it. Then in the terminal, I type start index.html and hit enter. Check this out. This is what one prompt got me. Working pricing page, hover effects, sticky bar, FAQ section, under a minute. I am sitting here watching it build something I would have spent 2 hours on. Now, if you do not want to deal with Cloudflare at all, there is an even simpler way. Go to kimi.com, sign in with email. You get free chat access to the same Kimi K2.6 model right in your browser. About 30 to 50 free messages per day. Plenty for testing prompts or quick coding help. Look. This model is genuinely beating Claude Opus on Bench Pro. It is open source. And everything I showed you today is free. If this helped, subscribe. Drop a comment with the free model you want me to test next. See you in the next one.